I'm Luann from Healthy Home Cooking, and today we're going to the Shade Mountain Winery. According to their website and print literature, Shade Mountain Vineyards and Winery is located in picturesque Middleburg, Pennsylvania. At the time of this video, the winery was open Mondays to Thursdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Fridays from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sundays noon to 5 p.m. The owners invite you to taste test their great selection of varied and delicious wines inside their remodeled 19th century barn. Shade Mountain Vineyards and Winery has events throughout the year. Check their website for dates and times. They have a 5 wine tasting flight you can purchase for $10 that you can enjoy inside or on their beautiful and spacious outdoor deck, which overlooks the vineyards. Outside, there is plenty of seating and parking and rows of beautiful grapevines to view. Thank you for joining me at the Shade Mountain Winery today. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. And remember, be healthy and keep on cooking.